FDA Registration Assistance presents Your cosmetic packaging may look beautiful, but is it FDA compliant? Many cosmetic companies invest heavily in branding, packaging design, and product development, only to discover later that their labels contain significant compliance issues. Understanding FDA cosmetic labeling requirements is essential before marketing products in the United States. So what information must appear on cosmetic labels? Let's break it down. Cosmetic labels are more than marketing tools. They are legal and regulatory documents. FDA labeling requirements help ensure consumers receive accurate information regarding the cosmetic products they purchase and use. Improper labeling can create compliance concerns, costly relabeling projects, marketplace issues, and unnecessary delays. That is why cosmetic labeling should be reviewed carefully before products are distributed. While requirements vary depending on the product, cosmetic labels commonly include the product identity statement, net quantity of contents, ingredient declaration, responsible party information, and other required label elements. The exact requirements may vary depending on the product type, packaging configuration, and marketing claims. Understanding these requirements early can help avoid future compliance problems. Ingredient declarations are one of the most important parts of cosmetic labeling. Ingredients are generally listed using accepted nomenclature and must accurately reflect the product formulation. Common mistakes include missing ingredients, improper ingredient names, incomplete declarations, or outdated ingredient terminology. Accurate ingredient declarations are essential for both compliance and consumer transparency. Cosmetic products typically require a net quantity statement indicating how much product is contained in the package. Common mistakes include improper unit declarations, incorrect formatting, improper placement, or inaccurate quantity statements. Although these errors may appear minor, they are frequently identified during cosmetic label reviews. One of the biggest compliance risks for cosmetic companies involves product claims. Claims suggesting that a cosmetic product can diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent disease may cause FDA to classify the product as a drug. Examples of higher risk claims include statements related to treating acne, stimulating collagen production beyond cosmetic effects, healing skin conditions, or altering the body's structure or function. Marketing language used on labels, websites, social media, and advertisements should always be reviewed carefully. Many imported cosmetic products are properly labeled for their home country, but fail to meet US labeling requirements. Different countries often follow different labeling standards. As a result, products that are fully compliant overseas may still require revisions before entering the US market. This is one of the most common issues affecting imported cosmetic products. The Modernization of Cosmetics Regulation Act, commonly known as MOCRA, introduced important new requirements for many cosmetic businesses. Although MOCRA focuses heavily on facility registration and product listing requirements, companies should also continue paying close attention to cosmetic labeling obligations. Label compliance remains a critical part of an overall cosmetic compliance strategy. Cosmetic labeling requirements can become complicated quickly, especially for international brands entering the US market. That is why cosmetic companies in more than 135 countries trust FDA registration assistance. Our team assists with cosmetic label reviews, MOCRA compliance, facility registration, cosmetic product listing, US agent services, and broader FDA cosmetic compliance support. Since 2013, we have helped companies prepare products for the US market with confidence. A labeling mistake discovered after production can become expensive. A labeling issue identified before launch is much easier to fix. If your company manufactures, imports, or distributes cosmetic products in the United States, FDA registration assistance can help review your labels before problems arise. Contact our team today to learn more.